Hey everyone! So we're back with another cooking show on YouTube. Oh, she got a fly away here. On today's episode of Fun with Brittany. Hey YouTube, okay. So today I've decided to make gluten-free chocolate chip cookies because I'm such a nice friend, and I'm joking. It's for my friend's birthday, so she's allergic to gluten, so yep, that's Bob's Red Mills, not sponsored, thanks. So let's see. I really couldn't actually tell you why I'm making a cooking video when I'm cooking from a package, because it's not rocket science here, but maybe it'll be like a taste test, like, oh, cookies, how are they? Like, do they actually smack? Do they taste like real cookies? Stay tuned. Okay, so step one is preheat the oven to 735. Wait, Step one, put the cookies in actual hell. Okay, step one is actually to put the oven to 375 and not burn them to a crisp. Preheat oven to 375. Done. Step two is to whisk egg and water. So guess what? We are cooking. Wow. Serving you egg yolks. So 1 egg, and we need 3 tablespoons of water. Okay, so I've added our 3 tablespoons of water. And now it's time to crack this egg. Wish me luck. My egg cracking skills are mediocre at best. I can already see an eggshell trying to make its way in. Okay, saved the day. There for now and disinfect later. And whisk it. Oh my gosh, I have a whisk. I have 2 whisks and they're so cute. Courtesy of probably the dollar store. Okay, so once you're done whisking, you're supposed to add butter. So that's a 1/2 cup of butter. I use vegan butter. Okay, tea, a 1/2 cup of butter. That's a lot of butter, but we'll make them nice and fluffy and soft. So yum. Just 1 scoop is of butter. Knife, I think. Probably smarter. It's been a minute since I've had baked chocolate chip cookies. I'm very excited to actually try one of these. Yay! Splash. Yeah. What's great about this is that I can actually have this because I too do not eat gluten or dairy. So if it's good, I might, what the heck, go out and get myself some. Tell me the package really said stir until well blended, as if this is gonna be a walk in the park. Let me know, okay? Maybe I shouldn't have whisked it. This is disgusting. Maybe shall switch to a spoon. Yeah, okay, spoon. Looking like the better choice here. The chaos. Oh my goodness. Amanda, if you're watching this, just know that it's a labor of love. Still stirring away. Oven's finally preheated, so that's nice. Okay, I think this is like mixed as well as it's gonna get for now. So the next part is to add the cookie mix in, and we'll see. Such great sounds. I don't know, it sounds like ASMR, just, Yeah, if that doesn't put you to sleep or do that weird ASMR thing, I don't know what will, right? Okay. All right, time to add this part. Probably rips easy. We're gonna stir it in a little at a time. We don't wanna put her all in and then it's a mess. Looking nice. Oh, it smells good. Stir some more. Looks so yummy. I bet it smacks for real. Guess we'll wait and see. Scoop dough into rounded tablespoonfuls and place 2 inches apart on a cooking sheet. Scoop. And voila. Okay. I guess that works. I feel like instructions always say like 2 inches apart, but like who's measuring? You know? I don't know. This is all goopier than I anticipated, to say the least. Must fight the urge to eat raw cookie dough. But we don't want salmonella, so I think whoever came up with that is a liar. Like you can't get salmonella. Just kidding, kids, don't eat raw cookie dough. Listen to your parents. Is it either gonna be like the biggest cookies that all just melt into one, or like, I don't even know, just like a nice perfect, I don't know. Definitely could have went for a bigger cookie sheet, but that's okay. So they are scooped and looking cute, and I'm gonna put them in the oven now, so stay tuned. Ready. Looking good. She is Betty Crocker. Wow. Golden brown and beautiful, just like me. So we'll let them sit and cool down and stop cooking, and hopefully they taste as good as they look, because they're quite pretty. So yeah, so I've got a cookie here, nice and warm. We're gonna see how yummy it actually is. Okay, like 15 out of 10. It's like soft and chewy. Obviously a warm cookie kind of smacks. Would recommend. There you go. I hope you enjoyed, and yeah, okay, bye.